Hello, today's topic? At a zoo.
Hey, have you ever been to the zoo before?
No, it's my first time. How about you?
I've been here a couple of times. It's always fun.
I'm excited to see all the animals.
Me too. Let's start with the big cats exhibit.
Sounds good. I love watching the tigers.
They're so majestic, aren't they?
Absolutely. Look at them lounging in the sun.
They seem so relaxed.
Next, we should visit the primates section.
I can't wait to see the chimpanzees.
They're incredibly intelligent creatures.
Yes, it's amazing to observe their behavior.
Shall we check out the bird aviary after?
Sure, I heard they have colorful parrots.
That sounds lovely. I enjoy watching birds fly.
It's mesmerizing, isn't it?
Definitely. Oh, look at the elephants.
They're my favorite. Though gentle and wise.
I could spend hours just watching them.
Me too. Let's take our time and enjoy every exhibit.
Agreed. There's so much to see and learn.
Don't forget the reptile house. Snakes and lizards.
I have mixed feelings about that, but let's go.
It'll be an adventure. And we'll learn something new.
You're right. Let's embrace it.
Our day at the zoo has been fantastic, hasn't it?
Absolutely. Let's come back again soon.
Vocabulary.
Animal. Majestic. Tiger. Cat. Intelligent. Behavior. Bird. Colorful. Parrot. Elephant. Gentle. Wise. Exhibit. Learn. Reptile. Snake. Lizard. Adventure. Embrace. Fantastic.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.